All right, so we are back. And of course, we've been doing these videos about iPadOS 26 because that is the newest operating system that will be coming out this fall for regular users, but beta testers get to see this up front. So I wanted to go ahead and give you a first look into files. This is one thing that a lot of iPad users have been complaining about. It's some good, it's some bad, but I think you'll like the new improvements that they've made to this application. So let's talk. So once again, I'm Average Tech Guy, and here we are looking at files, and I'm going to go ahead and click on my files application, opening this up. Now, first off, let's just go back out because I did not properly introduce you to what is new from your home screen. So if you go to files, and you just hold down, it now pulls up this elongated menu. Now with this menu, you're going to be able to see everything that you need as far as documents. If you want to switch to things that are on your iPad, you can search, you can even scan documents from here, and it even gives you options down here as well. You can remove the app, you can require Face ID, and you can edit your home screen all right here from your main home screen. So let's just say I want to go into files and open it up. If I just tap on things that are on my iPad, a bunch of things that are already on my iPad will show up in files. Now, remember, we talked about these nice new menu buttons. So if you tap up here, you get the red, yellow, green. And if I want to fill up my screen with all of this goodness, I just hit that. It fills up. No problems, no issues. Now, let's talk what you can now do with these files. So I'm going to take a file that I've been using for a while. This is one of my work files. If you long press it and hold it down, you now get this nice menu that comes up. The menu basically is going to allow you to copy, move, or share that file. You can open in a new window. You can get more info, rename, compress it, duplicate it, new folder with this item, or you can now customize and add tags. Yes. Customization and adding tags is right here now. So the tags now will change the color of the actual folder. So you can basically come down here and choose whatever color you would like. With one of my favorite colors being orange, I will make this tab orange and I will go back. Now the folder has changed and you can see both places. It has changed into an orange color. Now that is not all. You can come through and choose any of these icons that you would like, just so that you can customize this folder any way that you need to, making it easier to find, easier to organize. Also, one step further, you can come into any of your emojis that you have on hand. And you just scroll through them, and whichever ones you like, and you can go to your frequently used, or you can go all the way to the end, but all the way in between, anything that you would like for this folder to look like or to be recognized by, you can come in here and do so. Since this is my work folder, I'm gonna put a blue notebook on the front of it. And if I wanna go back in and change it, put some scissors. Or if I want to go back in and change again, put that blue notebook back on. Options are endless. You can use any emoji that is in there. You can use any option that they have for it, and you can use any color that they already have pre-selected for you in the tabs section. So this makes everything a lot easier when you are using your files on your new iPad iOS. So let's just click through some of the options that you have up here. You can choose how you select. Let's go back out of there. You can actually add a folder and it pops up right over here. Of course, we know that. And you can actually change how it looks. If you want a listed look, if you want columns, if you want columns, or if you want to go back to the actual icon, and then you can arrange them, of course, by your name, your kind, your date, all that good stuff. So this is just a new look in our files application. When you're all done with this, of course, you could just swipe back out of it. But once again, everything that you have down here, all new options, thanks to iPadOS 26. So this has just been a brief overview of how that new file setup is going to look. The next thing we're going to go through in our next video is going to be data transfer, because I think you are going to really enjoy that. And we do have a brand new cable that we'll be looking at. This is from Ojai, and I got it upside down, but this is USB Type-C. This is USB 4.2 compatible with Thunderbolt 5, and we're gonna be testing this out just to see how fast our data is now going to be set up and how easy it is to run things in the background while you are actually, or to download things in the background while you're actually using your device as well. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. I cannot wait for y'all to get your hands on iPadOS 26, because the more I use it, the more I like it. And if I like it this much now, I'm pretty sure it's gonna get a whole lot better. So until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.